Good morning. Happy Saturday. It is really early because I have an early doctor's appointment, so I thought I would go ahead and film a get ready with me. So I had a recent Ulta haul and thought I would try some of the Ulta beauty products that were in it. So we're going to start off with a soft blur face primer. It's a poreless face primer. It's silicone. Okay. Now that I have that on, I'm going to go ahead and try the Ulta Beauty Inner Glow Eye Primer. This is interesting. That's a dark primer. It's significantly darker than my skin tone. Might be hard to tell in this lighting, but in person I was like, okay. But it covers well. If you could see the difference between the coloration. Now that set did come with a little blending brush, but I think with how flimsy it is, it would be better for the under eye. So I'm going to use a different brush. I'm going to try and keep everything affordable today for the products that I'm using. But I'm going to go ahead and use this. It came with an eyeshadow palette. It's like a 6-pan neutral palette. So I'll use that. And we're going to start off with this kind of pinky shade. It's like a peachy pink tan. See if it has any pigment. Yeah, it does. Okay. And I'm just pressing lightly. So this is what we have so far. Just taking another random fluffy brush. A lot of these brushes that I have came from Ipsy bags. So I think for the outer corner, this has a little bit of glitter in it, but I kind of want to use it. Let's see what it looks like. Decent amount is picking up on the brush. Okay. Not bad. I'm going to go ahead and take this shade and kind of diffuse that a little bit further. I did drag it in a little bit. These eyeshadows are super easy to blend. So, just saying. So now I've got that. It looks a little crazy right now, but it'll come together. I want to see how pigmented this shimmer eyeshadow is. Okay. I added the brown to my eyelid because I didn't know how much of a punch this would actually have. So that way there was something. Yeah, it's more like a topper. Okay. So I've put it all over. It actually gives a nice wash of glitter, champagne glitter. And I put it in the inner corner and then dragged it in a little bit on the lower lash line. Now I'm going to take this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Last Longwear pencil. It's a black eyeliner. I'm going to line my lower waterline and my upper waterline. For liquid eyeliner, I'm going in with the Sephora brand eyeliner. I think this was like $12, but at the time they were running a sale, so less. Not sure how less. So we're right here. For brows, I'm going to use a Morphe brow pencil. For foundation, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Lumi Matte Foundation. And I want to try the Ulta Beauty sponge. It did get like really big after I wet it. It feels nice. I was worried it was going to be one of those firmer sponges, but it's not. And look at this foundation with redness. It does so good. This actually sponge feels really nice. Like, give me 5 of them. So I don't know why I forgot mascara. So I'm going to use the Ulta Beauty Collection New Heights Lifting Mascara. Just opened it. Okay. That's a small brush. It's one of those like super spiky ones. You can't tell, but it coated really nicely already. So that's good. I'm not done with my face makeup, but I am done with the foundation. I'm just going to go in with concealer after this. Okay. It's fairly good. It's not, it says it's a lifter. It didn't say lengthening, right? So it's not doing any lengthening, but I do see some lift, and it is coating the lashes just fine, separating them because of the spikes. I'm going to be putting on lashes anyway, but this looks like a good everyday mascara, to be honest. I'm actually really happy with that. For concealer, I'm using the NYX Bear With Me Concealer Serum. For to line my lips, I'm going to use this e.l.f. Cream Glide Lip Liner in the shade Pinky Swear. Then I'm going to go ahead and use this Ulta Beauty Collection. It just says it's a shiny sheer lip gloss, and it's got a bunch of glitter in it. Super cute. That's really pretty. It just smells sweet. And I threw on some Kiss lashes. I think these are natural, even though they are pretty fluffy. And this is what the final look looks like. Nearly all drugstore except for my bronzer, blush, and the setting spray. Now, I've got like 20 minutes to get dressed, so next one.